Hey everyone, welcome back, or welcome for the first time. Whatever it is, I'm happy to have you here. In this episode, we're going to be making an ambient smart lamp that changes colors with the seasons. I didn't really know what I was going to make when I went out to pick up the parts and stuff. I kind of just went out and I thought maybe the parts will speak to me or something like that. For this one, just 3 pieces, or 3 parts, 3 components, whatever. I have a light sensor, which will determine the brightness of these NeoPixel LEDs, and the brain of the thing is this Arduino microcontroller. That's it, just 3 pieces. We got this. Okay, and here we are, the final product. We're just going to shove it right in a mason jar here, and I put some little standoffs on the lid, so it kind of forms little legs of the lamp. Okay, so walking through the code here, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Then we're going to reach out to the same API actually that I used for my sunset video, my sunset lamp. I extended it to get the seasons, so it reaches out to that API, which will say it's winter or it's fall. And then it'll turn a certain color, and it'll use the light sensor to determine how bright it is. Yeah, that's it. If you're interested, I'll have the code on my website and all that. More information in the description below. So for fall I did this nice orange, which turns into a blue for winter. Next up, spring green. Yellow for summer, like the sun. And back to fall. Thanks for watching, everyone.